If you've been looking for a simple way to turn on dark mode on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the darkest display option on X, so your screen is easier on the eyes, especially at night or in low light settings. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand side menu. If you don't see all of the options right away, click More from the left menu. This is where X keeps a lot of the extra settings and account tools. After you open More, click on Settings and Privacy. This section controls your account, display preferences, and privacy settings. On the next screen, find and select Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This is where X groups all of the appearance and language options together. Once you're inside that menu, click Display. Now you'll see the background options for X. Here you'll usually find different display choices, such as default light mode, dim mode, and the darkest option called lights out. To turn on dark mode, simply select lights out under the background options. As soon as you click it, the interface should switch to the darker theme immediately. This setting is great if you want to reduce glare, make the app more comfortable to use at night, or just prefer a cleaner dark look. And that's really all there is to it. You've now turned on dark mode on X. And if you ever want to change it again, you can come back to the same menu and switch to a different background option anytime. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.